Hello, Sundari. Today's video, we're going to be talking about the new L'Oreal UV Defender. I am really sorry if you can hear something in the background. That's construction going on whenever I'm recording a video. Anyways, so we're going to be talking about the L'Oreal UV Defender UV Serum Protector Bright and Clear. It comes with an SPF 50 plus PA 4 plus is right here. It has a long UVA, no residue, no shine, and non-sticky. That says that on the packaging. It comes in about 4 different variants. I'm going to try to put the name of them here somewhere. And different variants are for different sorts of skin type. So you can decide whichever one that you want to buy. I'm going to say this before in this video as a disclaimer because I feel like it kind of creates a lot of confusion. Just because something doesn't work for me or does work for me doesn't mean that the product in itself is bad or somebody else is lying to you. Different people can use the same product and have different opinions on it. This means that my experience has been different than other influencers. That doesn't mean that they are lying to you or I'm lying to you. It just means different people have different opinions about the same product. Packaging that looks like this, it's very thin, it's very convenient to use. You can actually put this in your bag. Use it is you kind of shake it off a little bit and you take it and you kind of twist off the top. There is a funnel at the very top which kind of helps a lot, in controlling the amount of product that you get. And you just take a little bit, you can take it either on the back of your hand or you can just apply it straight. When you do look at this, the consistency of this is not runny at all, as you guys can see. It literally is staying in place. And when you try to blend this out, for me, it gives me a lot of white cast. And I'm going to try to put a clip of me applying it right here. So you guys can see like how exactly it looks on my face. I don't really have it on my face right now. And there's a good reason for it. The smell of it is really strong. I don't like it. It's very perfumey. I wouldn't really recommend it to anyone who has a sensitive nose. I have a sensitive nose and I wouldn't be recommending this to myself, if you know what I mean. On my hand, it kind of blended out nicely, but you can even see the difference here. I think you'll be able to tell the sort of white cast it gives from this footage right here. In terms of the stickiness, it does say on the packaging that this is non-sticky. Sadly, for me, it is sticky. It also has a considerable white cast and it also feels like there's something on top of my skin consistently when I have this on my face. The smell of this is a major concern for me. I don't know why they would put such a strong scent in a sunscreen, something that also can be applied really close to your eyes. Another problem that I faced actually with this is that you can't really apply it close to your eyes. Now, if you're like me and you apply your sunscreen literally everywhere on your face, I would have to buy a separate sunscreen to apply around my eyes because you can't really apply it. So that's something that you should keep in mind. It's off pretty quickly. It does dry off pretty quickly and sometimes it feels like it's not there on my skin and the other times it does feel like it's there on my skin. It almost feels like a weird thick layer of silicone on my face, which I can't really explain it because I have tried sunscreens that are literally based in silicone and they don't feel as silicone-y as this. This doesn't feel hydrating. This just feels like I've applied something on my face and it's very annoying. I don't know how else to put it. You know when you apply sunscreens and they kind of have this, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like it's moving on my skin, but it's not really moving on my skin. Basically, it wasn't really a great, pleasant experience when I used this. I had really high hopes when I purchased it, but sadly, it's a no from someone like me. I wouldn't really recommend this sunscreen to someone if they want to apply it on their face because I feel like it does feel sticky. I feel like it does have residue. It also feels like it does have a considerable white cast, which is quite surprising because I thought this is a chemical sunscreen, but it still has that. So I wouldn't really buy it for myself. I don't really think I would be recommending it to people that have similar skin type as me. I have combination to oily skin in summertime, but I would highly recommend this, but I would recommend this to people that have really, really dry skin people that don't really care that much about the white cast. Also, if you have a strong nose and you don't really care about scents, you can pick this up. I think because it is sticky, it will be a great sunscreen if you want to apply makeup on top. Most of the time, whatever, primer that you apply underneath your makeup, if it's sticky, it actually really helps with your makeup staying in place. Said there are different versions of this. It is possible that this version, the bright and clear version, is more sticky than the mattifying one, but I haven't really tried the mattifying one, so I wouldn't really be able to tell. That's why if you have tried the other variants of this sunscreen, please do let me know in the comment section how exactly it feels on your face and the sort of skin type you have. It's very helpful to other people that are watching this video. They can just go to the comment section and read, if you have oily skin, how does the matte one work on your skin. So just keep that in mind and definitely comment in the comment section with your personal opinions and reviews of this product or the different variants of this product. That's about it. I hope you guys like this video and you find it video useful. Questions, definitely leave that in the comment section. You can also leave any video recommendations or any video requests that you have. Apart from this, if you have any other further question, you can follow me on my Instagram. Make sure to DM me or you can email me. I'm going to leave all of those details in the description box. This is my handle over at Instagram. Fine.